In this video, I will show how to count non-numeric things in Excel. So we will use this formula equal sign, then write count if. So double click on count if. Now select the range. Now comma and criteria. So double quotation mark and we need yes with double quotation mark. Press enter. So at time we have this yes, similarly copy and similarly click here and paste this, and just you have to change no, then press enter. So 7 times we have the no. So this is the formula you can use to count things in Excel. Thanks for watching.